Hey guys, please leave a like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications, and let's get right into the video. Trapped at school. Alright, so it's trapped at school.
You guys are gonna look at Dude, we're gonna die.
We're gonna get diabetes.
Hey, Adrian.
Adrian, I just want to let you know if we die, you're one of my good friends, okay? I'm never miss you.
Adrian, I'm never gonna miss you if we die. I'm just kidding. Hey, you should use your bag as head cover. It worked.
God. Okay. How do you do it again? You go
Like this.
ow! Wait, what do you do?
You okay?
Well, that's worse than a tornado. Wait, what do you do again? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah.
Now you go like this first.
I think I did get bumped. Oh.
Yeah, thank God, but it wasn't a tornado.
Okay, that probably hurts worse than an actual tornado.
No,
I'd be dead. Exactly, you wouldn't feel it.
How is this safe? Like laying like this, it's gonna crush your head into the ground.
Yeah, we're gonna be up. I'm gonna go flat. We're gonna see like a freaking 2x4 go. I guess I live real life. Me too. Happened now? And then right now, watching a tornado go. That'd be weird. And 2x4s are going down the hall. Chaos. Everybody's like flying everywhere. I'm like, to run outside. Twister. Hey, can I use your phone to call my mom? I didn't tell her to call me. She's at work right now.
Right now. Dude, we gotta wait on Grant.
Is your right here? Is your right here? Because if it's not here, no, you don't go out. It's right here.
Watch means it's like, it's their but we're okay, everything's fine. Me and Clayton are still a little shook.
She said our car had no battery. I was like,
Sorry about that, guys. Guys, it's not like... I don't know what's wrong with it. Oh, there we go.
he's the only one who wants to go with us.
I'm going home. I'm not going home. I'm going
with me. With a friend.
I walk home with them every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Some friend.
Antonio Sanchez.
Hey, no,
Antonio Sanchez at door 15.
your mom and dad.
No, my mom got our battery got.
I'm making this way, like, fucked up. Yeah, we're okay, though. We're waiting for Clayton.
Oh, can't leave. There's one really close to me.
Cannot leave.
Again.
Guess what I'm gonna do? Yes. Forget tornado. Imagine you go right now. So if someone finds your phone after it's like recording. Alright, so say we're recording. We're recording. No. Go with me. This is the picture of our tornado that happened. To the right is Hometown Bank, and the left is Iggy's and everything else like goodies. We're still here. It's just trying to get a plasma can still. This is about 20 minutes later. It's pouring, and there's a tornado that touched down out by our YMCA. Like by it, near Walmart, Walgreens. Yeah, so we're gonna be stuck here for a while. And it's getting crazy. Listen.
Everyone staying put until the warning is over. You guys hear that down there?
Yes.
Everyone staying put until the warning is over. And then we'll release people at 4 o'clock. If it's over.
What about the buses?
So if you're on the phone, let your parents, grandparents, guardians know that. No one's leaving until this is over at 4, if it's over then.
What if it gets over at 10 a.m.?
Well, we trapped at school all night if it continues.
It won't be over till 10.
No, because that's what it said at first.
Were you here when the Joplin
So it's probably going to re-continue since one touchdown.
at this time.
Well, yeah, the funnel was, but the tornado ended at like 7 or 8.
Yeah, but it was like...
I know, but it's still scary.
Like freaking flipping cars. Do I remember?
Dude, I don't handle stress well.
This guy turns it.
I get scared easily. I don't like tornadoes.
You can use that backpack. I know.
Yeah. My mom's in Joplin right now.
Oh, dude, this
So she's like texting and calling us. Could you not like lay on me though?
I'm actually chilling.
Scoot over. Okay.
What happened?
I think they hear sirens or something.
Staff and students, I hope that you can hear this announcement. Bus drivers and bus riders, I need for you, it is now clear, I need for the bus drivers and bus riders to go to their buses, please. I will give you the next announcement as soon as we've got the bus riders and bus drivers loaded.
It's clear. We're good.
Hey, stand aside, guys.
What?
Tell my mom I'm going on a bus.
No, your dad's already on his way, so just wait.
Yeah, I was waiting. My phone's on the bus.
You didn't get on the bus yet.
I got on my bus this morning.
Then get it tomorrow, Monday morning.
Unless there's someone picks it up on the bus.
People left it on the bus, Gary. Oh yeah, we're allowed to stand.
We're 30 minutes away live.
Alright, made it home now. Very safe, as you can see. Again. But I hope you guys learn from that, of what we do at our school or something. I don't know, but you shouldn't enjoy it unless you're like me and you'd enjoy that thing. But bye. Alright guys, hope you liked that video.